Okay, right now we're gonna do a small deburring operation. We got hold here in the vise. You'll notice we got a little bit of burr on the back. Okay, a little bit more pressure is needed. Maybe a smaller countersink. I believe that countersink's loose. Oh, I stop there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's 3 holes here, so it's tighten up all 3. You know. Here we go. And last but not least, the center one, a little bit bigger burr there. Okay, flip it over. Just holding it level with the top, nothing fancy. Lock it in. Put it center of the hole. Using a 6 flute so it doesn't chatter, kind of self-centers. Yo, ooh, we don't like that. Well, didn't follow my own rule. Probably should have a smaller countersink. I'm going to change to a smaller one. I had a smaller one in there, but somebody else must have used this. How many do we tighten up? All 3. Get 12-pack of Mountain Dew, drink all 12. And try to get this one here a little bit better. Okay, looks much gooder.